So, hi guys, Lune here. I've been asked by people, how do I run a witchy business without being witchy? So, I'll show you a few things that I do. The first thing I do is I have my little star here on the back of the door so that I can see it at all times, my little pentagram. And I have a little witch's broom hanging on my cooler that's an air freshener, so that's witchy. I have a key that hangs on this wall that's very Hecate being with me. I have a little frog facing the door for a money type. It's not really an altar, but a little money sign. And then I do have a small altar. No one realizes it's an altar, but I do. And that is my beautiful amethyst cluster, picture of my buddy and I and my mother, my candle, which is not a real candle, it's an electric candle, my little plant, my beautiful little money bowl, if you guys remember me making that, a little money bowl out of a pill bottle, and this is my incense holder. And then I have my plant, and I have a candy bowl and a little crystal right here as well. Right here. Sorry, I thought I had the camera on it. So, let me turn my open sign over because I am open. I have a little chime hanging in the window. That probably blinded you. So, there are ways to make your office witchy without being witchy. My little incense burner I keep behind the desk. So, there are ways. I hope this helped, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.